Welcome to Beautyistic. Have you ever wished for the perfect, hassle-free way to get your little one's nails looking fabulous without the mess? Today, we're exploring a product that promises just that. Kiss imPRESS No Glue Mani Press-On Nails, specifically designed for kids. This nail artist kit is all about making nails fun, safe, and super easy to apply. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down. So what's in this kit? First, the basics. You get 26 press-on nails, a mix of pink and unicorn accent nails, 4 sheets of fun nail stickers, and a mini nail file. There's no glue involved, making this kit an absolute breeze for kids to apply and remove. And with the press-on technology, it's meant to be mess-free. But does it deliver on that promise? The design of the nails is where things get interesting. The Squoval shape is perfect for little hands. Easy to wear, not too long or bulky. The soft pink color gives it a sweet, girly vibe, while the unicorn accents and stickers take it to the next level for some playful customization. Kids can easily personalize their nails with kitties, hearts, and more, a feature I think will excite any child who loves to express themselves through their look. In terms of application, I was genuinely impressed. The no-glue, press-on design is incredibly convenient and really easy to use. The nails come with breakaway tabs, allowing for precise application, so there's no fussing with glue or worrying about a messy situation. Plus, removal is a breeze. Just gently take them off when you're done. I can see this being a game changer for moms who want a quick and easy way to get their child's nails done without the fuss of traditional nail polish. Now let's talk about the texture and feel. The press-ons are comfortable and lightweight, so there's no heavy feeling on the nails. They fit snugly, which means they stay in place while the kids go about their activities, whether they're at play or showing off their new look to friends. It's a practical design that balances comfort with style. There's also an important factor here that can't be overlooked: safety. This product is mom-approved, as it's free from the toxic ingredients that are often found in conventional nail polish. The eco-friendly, recyclable packaging is a nice touch too. For parents looking for a fun, safe option, this could be a go-to solution for kids' beauty play. However, no product is perfect. One minor con I noted is that the nail stickers, while cute, might not adhere as long as the press-on nails themselves. Depending on how active your little one is, you might find the stickers peeling off faster than expected. But that's a small trade-off when considering the ease of use and the overall fun factor of the kit. In terms of value for money, this kit is a solid choice. It offers everything you need for a complete, fun nail art experience without the need for extra tools or messy products. And considering it's a product designed with kids in mind, it's reasonably priced for the amount of entertainment and creativity it brings. Comparing this to other similar products, many press-on nail kits for kids require glue or have limited designs. Kiss imPRESS sets itself apart by offering a glue-free experience with vibrant designs that are easy to apply and remove. It's one of the more innovative options available for this age group. As for longevity, the nails themselves last a good while. I wouldn't expect them to stay on for weeks, but they do the job well for a couple of days, which is ideal for a fun weekend or party look. The kit also makes a fantastic gift or party favor, thanks to its cute, engaging design and ease of use. Now, let's address who would benefit most from this product. If you have a child or tween who loves to experiment with nail art but is too young for traditional nail polish or salons, this kit is a great choice. It's designed for fun, safety, and easy application, making it perfect for beauty play at home. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried Kiss imPRESS No Glue Mani Press-On Nails with your little ones? Or do you have other nail art kits that you'd recommend? Drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.